Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Are you working with flexible and lightweight materials? When pieces shift during cutting, it ruins your precision. Let me show you how the Titan series vacuum platform solves this problem. The solution starts with this honeycomb table paired with our vacuum system, especially designed to securely hold materials in the place during processing. Using it straightforward. First, and this is very important, cover the whole honeycomb completely, smoothing it out to minimize the air pockets for maximum hold. Then, with just a few taps on the touch panel, activate the vacuum. Do you see that? It's not going anywhere, just stick on the honeycomb table. Once it's locked in place, you get this rock-steady environment. Notice how the material doesn't budge, ensuring every cut and engrave is perfectly precise. And when you're done, the result speaks for itself. Perfect, consistent cuts without any shifting or distortion of the material. So, if you're tired of material movement ruining your projects, the Titan vacuum platform is your solution. Visit thunderlaser.com to learn more and take your precision to the next level. Thanks for watching guys, and see you soon!